Tasakak Bodins. In the next episode of Tasakak Bodins, Esme will be taken onto a cargo ship while Helene and Fedemi are released, forcing Adil to choose between an immediate rescue and preventing a shipment that could threaten the entire region. Temur will contact Adil and explanation that the ship carries Esme in one section and dangerous material in another. If Adil boards the ship to save Esme, the cargo will be moved into the town. If he stops the cargo, the ship carrying Esme will leave international water. Adil will refuse the choice and ask order Kiso and Helene to help him create a stimulation operation. Helene will study the ship's medical record and discover that several crew members are suffering from exposure to the same substance used in Temur's payan. She will board distinct as a doctor reporting to the emergency. Isu and Fedemi will use a fishing boat to approach the cargo entrance while Adil and Orak enter through an old maintenance road supplied by Temur. Esme will not remain passive. She will gain the trust of another captive and learn that the ship's contain is secretly planning to betray Temur. She will conceive the caption that Temur intends to sink the vessel after unloading the cargo, causing part of the crew to turn against. After unloading the cargo, Adil will discover the Esme cell is empty. Temur has moved her to control room and connected the ship's steering mechanism to an explosive device. Esme must keep the vessel moving toward the harbor or the bomb will be activated. Alani will identify a medical cooling system capable of freezing the detonator, but reaching it required shooting down the engines. Fedemi will take control of fishing boat and block the cargo route. Will also boards the ship to reach the engine room. Orak will comfort Temur's son and discover that the young man provided the route because he wants his father's shipment destroyed even if Ismay dies. Adil will realize the son is not a trustworthy ally. He is willing to sacrifice anyone for revenge. Esme will stop the ship second before the harbor. Eleni will disable the explosive and the cargo will be sighted. Temur will escape a smaller boat. The neighbors of the belong to respected person from the village. The final scene will show that person waiting on the shore